Welcome to English Pinglish channel. Let's get started.
Question. I have a question for you. I have a question for you. I have a question for you. Off. Please turn off the television. Please turn off the television. Please turn off the television. Move. Let's move on to the next tourist spot. Let's move on to the next tourist spot. Let's move on to the next tourist spot. Like. I really like you. I really like you. I really like you. Night. I was dreaming that night. I was dreaming that night. I was dreaming that night. Live. We are going to live in this city. We are going to live in this city. We are going to live in this city. Hold. Just hold my hand. Just hold my hand. Just hold my hand. Bring. Please bring a pen. Please bring a pen. Please bring a pen. Without. I can't live without my phone. I can't live without my phone. I can't live without my phone. Before I go to bed, I always wash my face. Before I go to bed, I always wash my face. Before I go to bed, I always wash my face. All. That's all I know about dinosaurs. That's all I know about dinosaurs. That's all I know about dinosaurs. Million. I have a million questions about this book. I have a million questions about this book. I have a million questions about this book. Must. We must watch this movie together. We must watch this movie together. We must watch this movie together. Under. I hid it under my bed. I hid it under my bed. I hid it under my bed. Water. I filled the tub with water. I filled the tub with water. I filled the tub with water. Room. His room is at the end of the corridor. His room is at the end of the corridor. His room is at the end of the corridor. Write. Can you write me a prescription for this? Can you write me a prescription for this? Can you write me a prescription for this? Mother. His mother is a very lovely woman. His mother is a very lovely woman. His mother is a very lovely woman. Money. She needs money to buy her medicine. She needs money to buy her medicine. She needs money to buy her medicine. Story. Story. She shared her story to the media. She shared her story to the media. She shared her story to the media. Young. Young. She's so young and so hopeful. She's so young and so hopeful. She is so young and so hopeful. Month. Month. February is the second month. February is the second month. February is the second month. Right. Right. Turn right when you reach the corner. Turn right when you reach the corner. Turn right when you reach the corner. Let's study our English lesson together. Let's study our English lesson together. Let's study our English lesson together. Book. Book. Can I borrow your English book? Can I borrow your English book? Can I borrow your English book? Eye. She has green eyes. She has green eyes. She has green eyes. Job. I love my job. I love my job. I love my job. Business. His business is thriving. His business is thriving. His business is thriving. Issue. This is not an issue for me. This is not an issue for me. This is not an issue for me. Kind. Always be kind even to strangers. Always be kind even to strangers. Always be kind even to strangers.
Please subscribe us and don't forget like and comment. Thanks for watching.